No, Raymond, nothing is completed. All clear now? Yeah, fine. So volume distribution of masses. So if you take the volume distribution, let us take, this is a sphere. So we are taking this as uniform sphere, correct? Narayan said this is removed from center. No change will be there if you remove something symmetrically. Okay, Narayan? So in this case, let us say that this is a uniform sphere. What kind of sphere? We are taking this as uniform sphere. This is uniform sphere. Now from this uniform sphere, what we are doing, we are just removing this portion. Another sphere, small sphere of radius r by 2, is removed. This is radius r. All right, fine, okay, na? Right? Yeah. So now this is removed. It is mentioned that this is removed. So now here in this case, when volume distribution of mass will be given, same kind of formula will adopt what we have done for the areal distribution of masses, only when one change, the change is that here area will be substituted with volume. ठीक है? देखो, तो क्या लिखेंगे हम लोग? We will write R center of mass is equal to V1 R1 plus minus V2 R2 divided by V1 plus minus V2. ठीक है? So V1 R1 by default it is a center C1, here is a center C2. So by default V1 R1 will be equal to 0. Since mass is removed, so we'll have the minus sign. Minus V2, how much? 4 by 3 pi R by 2 whole cube into R2 is how much? R2 is also equal to R by 2. That divided by 4 by 3 pi R cube minus R cube by 8. So as a result, if you do the calculation, you will check the answer will come minus R by 14. Please do it quickly and confirm that it is coming minus R by 14. My dear friends, please confirm that you are getting minus R by 14. Do quick. It's very easy, extremely easy it is. Previous day when areal distribution was there, the formula was A1 R1 plus A2 R2 by A1 plus minus A2. Here in this case, the formula will be changed to volume. We will write V1 R1 plus minus V2 R2 divided by V1 plus minus V2. Is it clear? चमका सबका idea आ गया? Quick comments. We will move on to the next segment. Quick comments please. कहाँ गए सब लोग? सो गए क्या? It's clear everyone? Okay? Right? Minus R by 14? Yeah? Yes? Right? 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 Yeah? Yeah? Okay? Fine. Fine. Right. So now let us move on to the next segment. So next segment is, we'll study now shift in center of mass. Shift in center of mass. Now this is an important topic. There are too many different varieties of questions that used to come from here. So now I think next part of the class will completely discuss on this topic only. That is shift in center of mass. So first of all, shift in center of mass, delta R center of mass is written as M1 delta R1 plus M2 delta R2 divided by M1 plus M2. R center of mass is equal to M1 R1 plus M2 R2 by M1 plus M2. Shift in center of mass, delta R center of mass is equal to M1 delta R1 plus M2 delta R2 by M1 plus M2. So we will take few examples. First we will see the easy examples, then gradually we will leave it to the, or we will go up to the good examples. Thank you. So what is this? Let us take an example. So this is a straight line. I am taking along x-axis. So along x-axis, I'll take 2-point masses. So let me take 2-point masses. This is mass 1. I say this is 2 kg. And there is another mass, which I say 3 kg. I say that the separation between them, I'm taking it to be 3 meter. Then what happens? In the gradual course of action, this 2 kg is shifted by 1 meter. This is shifted by, let us say, 2 meter. So here I want to calculate what is the shift in center of mass, right? 2 kg and 3 kg, two masses are there. They are separated by 3 meter. 2 kg is shifted in the rightward direction by 1 meter. 3 kg is shifted in the rightward direction by 2 meter. I am asking what is the shift in center of mass? So I am asking shift in center of mass equal to how much? So I have the formula. It is quite easy. All of you can solve on your own, even if I don't say anything. See, the separation between the masses doesn't matter because I do not need this data, right? The data I need is shifting of 2 kg and shifting of 3 kg. So what I will write directly, delta R center of mass is equal to M1 is 2 kg. So 2 into shifted by 1 meter plus M2 is 3 kg shifted by 2 meter divided by 3 plus 2. So I am getting 8 by 5. So this is 8 by 5 meter or 1.6 meter. That's the answer. Respond everyone. Did you get 1.6 meter? Quick, first response. Yeah? Yes, Likita, correct. Respond everyone. Hit the comment box quickly. Clear? Himashri? Yes sir, okay. All of you. Yeah? Divide by 5, Tejasvi. Yeah? Right? Clear now? Fine? Good. So this is our example 1. This is our example 1. Correct? Chalo. Next one. Next example. In this next example, I'll take the same line and I'll do a small change. Very small change. Now here is a mass which is 1 kg. Here is a mass which is 2 kg. This mass is shifted in that direction by 2 meter. This is shifted in that direction by 0.5 meter. Boys and girls, I want the same question. Please answer quickly. Calculate delta R center of mass. Here in this case is equal to how much? Boys and girls, do quick. Do quick. First, do first. In first slide, why 0, sir? Which 0? This 0 you are talking about? This is because R1 is at the center. So this is the origin. So V1 into 0 is 0. Right? Yeah. Shyam already gave the answer. He is saying 1 by 3. No, why I am getting different answer, Manas? Shirisa is saying 1, Naran is 1 by 3, Kartike is 1, Shyam is saying 0.3. Let's see. Chalo. So same formula, delta R center of mass is equal to M1 R1. What is M1? 1. 1 into 2, but with a minus sign. Because this is opposite. This is negative x-axis. So I have to put a minus sign there. Plus 2 into 0.5 divided by 2 plus 1. So it is coming minus 2 plus 1 divided by 3. So your answer is minus 1 by 3 meter. See those? You have to be careful. Otherwise mistake ho jayega. Got it? Idea lag gaya? So when it is moved in negative x-axis, I have to consider this negative sign. Otherwise, I will get it wrong. Clarity aaya, everyone? Did you get the clarity? Chamka sabka? Hai na? Idea clear? Right? Yeah. Fine. Next example. Chalo boys and girls, next example. हाँ जी, चमका? Good. Next example, please write. I have a mass here, 2 kg. I take a mass here, 4 kg. Right? Yeah? Fine. So then it is said, this is shifted in this direction by 1 meter. 4 kg is shifted downward by 1 meter. Correct? Yeah, always. Center of mass हमेशा near body की तरफ होगा, near the heavier body. So 4 kg is shifted downward by 1 meter. Now what they are asking? Find by what distance 2 kg mass will be shifted if center of mass comes down by 2 meter. Boys and girls, do quick. This is for you. Test your knowledge. Find by what distance 2 kg mass will be shifted if center of mass comes down by 2 meter. Little change. I have made a slight change in the question. Earlier questions I was giving the displacement of the two masses and asking the shift in center of mass. In this case, information given about the shifting of one mass and information given about the shifting of center of mass. Now they are asking what is the shift of the other mass. Rely on the same formula. All of you, please rely on the same formula. So I started getting answer. Shivamani 8 meter, Manas 4, Amrut 4, Hanudeep is saying -4, Sham plus 8, Shivamani 8, Hindvi saying 4, Himashri 8. Okay, all different answers we are getting now. Chalo, let us solve. Delta R center of mass is equal to, I will rely on my formula, M1 R1 plus M2 R2 by M1 plus M2. What is delta R center of mass? They have said comes down by 2 meter. Comes down by 2 meter means minus. So it is -2 is equal to M1 R1 4 kg coming down again -4 plus 2 into R2. I have to calculate this. 2 into delta R2 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Check karo. What is coming? 6 into -2 is 12. This -4 will come on this side +4. That is equal to 2 into delta R2. So yes, delta R2 we have -4 meter. This is the correct answer. Delta R2 is equal to -4 meter. That means this 2 kg mass has to be shifted downward by 4 meter. 2 kg mass has to be shifted downward by 4 meter. Clarity hai sabka? All of you got the clarity? Clear now? Pakka? Please respond everyone if it is clear to all of you. All of you? Yeah? Yes, Sarita? Right? Yes. So clear now everyone? All of you got the clarity? Yeah? Yes? Fine? मजा आ गया? Cool? कर सकते हो? Any type of such questions can be done. कोई इशू नहीं है ना? हाँ. Good. चलो, let's move on. Yeah? ठीक है. Next one. चलो. Next one. See, next one I will revisit the Newton's laws of motion once. हाँ, yes. वो भी नीचे आएगा ना? Downward means you have to give negative sign. Yes. So think about the direction. If you check about the direction here, na. So this is y-axis. If it is shifted upward means along positive y-axis. Shifted downward means negative y-axis. That's all. That's the only difference. ठीक है जी? चलो. Next, we will come back to Newton's laws of motion once. Yeah, sign is very important, extremely important. So in Newton's laws of motion, we have written F is equal to mass into acceleration. We have written force equal to mass into acceleration, right? Here in this case, we will modify this equation and we will write F external is equal to mass of the system into acceleration of center of mass. So if I want to apply Newton's laws of motion for a system of particles, for what? For system of particles. So this is NLM, Newton's laws of motion for system of particles. For system of particles, right? So F external equal to mass of the system into a center of mass, correct? अब आ गया ना शिवमणि? We are here now. We made finally, right? Yeah. So now, if अब देखो what is the consequence? If F external is equal to 0, that means if there is no external force acting on a system, then what will happen? Then what will happen? From this we can see that acceleration of center of mass will become 0. So when acceleration of center of mass is equal to 0, we have two possibilities. Think about this. Acceleration of center of mass 0 means change in velocity of center of mass is equal to 0. This gives us two possibilities. 1, 2. What is the first possibility? First possibility is it is giving that either velocity of center of mass is equal to constant or velocity of center of mass is equal to 0. It means what? It means either the center of mass is in uniform motion. Each word is important here. This is theoretical understanding we are developing slowly. So please understand here, center of mass is in uniform motion when I say VCM is equal to constant, or when you say VCM equal to 0, here center of mass is at rest. And in both these possibilities, whether center of mass is in uniform motion or center of mass is at rest, in both these cases, we will see that center of mass will not change its position with respect to the system. Very, very interesting points. All theoretical points, very important for exams. Whenever you get assigned theoretical questions, see, understanding is very, very important. You have to know physics as physics, not through any other terms. So I repeat once again, I write F external equal to mass of the system into acceleration of the center of mass. Then I say, if F external equal to 0, then what we will see? Acceleration of center of mass is equal to 0. If it is 0, then change in velocity of center of mass is also equal to 0. It gives us two possibilities. Either V center of mass equal to constant, then also delta V is equal to 0, or V center of mass is equal to 0. If V center of mass equal to constant, this gives center of mass is in uniform motion. It is moving constantly along a straight line. And V center of mass equal to 0 means center of mass is at rest. I am saying in both these cases, center of mass with respect to the system will not change the position. That's what we want. It means what we are telling that shift in center of mass is equal to 0. Shift in center of mass is equal to 0. Means whenever there is an external force, absence of external force, whenever external force is absent, that means whenever external force is equal to 0, whenever external force is equal to 0, shift in center of mass will be equal to 0. Whenever external force is equal to 0, shift in center of mass क्या हो जाएगा आपका 0. External force 0, shift in center of mass equal to 0. Please read it once, the entire slide. Tell me whether it is clear or not. Very, very conceptual points. Please read it once. Confirm. When it is clear, we'll move on to the next type. We'll see the applications. Is it clear for everyone, boys and girls? Please respond. No, they will not hamper. They will not hamper. Yes, Manas. Internal forces will not hamper the motion. Is it clear, boys and girls? Respond first. Right? Yeah? Hai na? Right. Yeah. Good. So now let us see the applications. Now we will see the applications where we can apply this. But remember these points because ये assassin reason आ सकता है. If it can come as an assassin reason, where concept is very very important. नहीं तो फिर अगर आपका concept नहीं है तो तुक्के से आंसर नहीं बनेगा. You cannot answer in guess. So remember this concept. ठीक है ना? चलो अब देखते हैं application. मजा आएगा गुरु. Now in application, first application. Suppose there is some river or lake which is having still water. ठीक है? Still water. The water is not moving, and there a boat is there. So in the still water, one boat is floating. Suppose it is moving or it is at rest. Doesn't matter. Then all of a sudden what we see that there are two persons. Here is one person, person A. Here is another person, person B. Two persons are there. Okay? On the two ends. It is also being given mass of this person is MA, mass of this person is MB, and mass of the boat is given as M suffix small b. Right? What is happening right now is this person A starts walking towards B. It starts walking towards B and it comes here. This person A comes here. Question is, what is the shift in center of mass? PYQ basically, different mass values are given. Mass of the boat is also being provided. Length of the boat is also provided. Suppose they have given you this length is L, buddy. They have said that this length is L. So all values are given and they are asking what is the shift in center of mass. Yes, Amrut. Very good. Just the concept we have studied right now, direct application. There will be no change in the position of center of mass. There will be no change in the position of center of mass. Why? Why there will be no change in the position of center of mass? Because there is no force acting into it. So I'll say that in this case, since F external is equal to 0, so shift in center of mass will be equal to 0. Clear? आया आइडिया? आ गया समझ में? एकदम क्लैरिटी आया? Yes, श्योर. F external equal to 0, तो shift in center of mass is equal to 0. Clear ना? एकदम crystal clarity आ गया. You know how to apply now? Chabka, Shirisha? Yeah. So all of you got it? हाँ जी? ठीक. Good. So now we will move on to the next example. Okay, Manika? Fine, Divya? Kartika, yes? Right. Okay. Next example. So next example is also based on this boat kind of problem only. What is that? Now I am saying, okay, this is a lake, still water, there is no water current, and as usual there is one boat. In this boat, one person is here at point A, and this boat length is given to be L. This end, point B is there. So what is said in this question? It is being mentioned that the person moves from A to B. The person moves from A to B. So if the person moves from A to B, without any doubt, delta R of center of mass will be equal to 0. And if the center of mass has to be 0, shift in center of mass has to be 0, then I have to say that the boat will move backward. To keep the center of mass at the same position, the boat has to move backward. If you have a real life experience, whenever you are stepping into the boat, you will see boat will move backward a little bit. Is it clear to all of you? Hit the comment box. First, if this is okay, external force equal to 0, shift in center of mass equal to 0, and because of that, to keep the center of mass at the same position, person is moving rightward, boat has to move leftward. Is it okay for all of you? Ekdam clear hai kya? I repeat once again that when the person is moving from this side to that side, this person is moving from this side to that side, and in this process, what will happen? The boat will move backward. Why the boat will move backward? Because the shift in center of mass is equal to 0. है ना? मजा आ गया? Yes. चलो. So now we will solve. Now we will solve कि by what distance the boat will move back. Very simple. देखो यार. Experience दिव्या. Good. Yeah. It happens. Physics is everywhere. You can't violate physics. So anyway, I will tackle this question. I will tackle this question one by common sense, then with the mathematics. Okay? Common sense is what? This boat will move backward by an amount x. So try to understand. The person is moving forward by a distance L. Person is moving forward by a distance L. Correct? Ha. Yes. Yes, Ganesh. Person is moving forward by a distance L. And the entire system is coming back by distance x. Person is moving forward by distance L and the entire system is coming back by a distance x. So the person is also moving L minus x. Please understand that if there is one observer, suppose there is one observer, it's a fixed observer. This observer was expecting the person to be here. Was expecting the person to be here. But the person actually comes here. Why? Because the boat has moved back. So this person also will move back by x. So actual displacement of the person kitna hoga? L minus x. Yes, Likhita, correct? Actual displacement of the person will be L minus x. How I can write this mathematically? Dekho. Can I write position of the person with respect to ground vector is equal to position of the person with respect to boat plus position of the boat with respect to ground. Relative motion equation. Can I write this? Please respond. This is the first fundamental thing you have written. Position of the person with respect to ground equal to position of the person with respect to boat plus position of the boat with respect to ground. Yes, Sika, correct only. So, position of the person with respect to ground is equal to, what is the position of the person with respect to boat? It is L I cap. In this direction, L I cap. Coming back, so it is minus x I cap. That is the position of boat with respect to ground. So ultimately, how much we got? L minus x I cap. बोलिए point clear हुआ क्या? क्या ये point चमका? If the person is moving by distance L forward on the boat, if the boat is coming backward by x, so effectively the person will move by L minus x. Is this point clear to everyone? Hit the comment box, please. Quickly. Is this point clear to all of you? Respond first. Right? Yeah? Fine? Yeah. Right. So from there, now, shift in center of mass is how much? Shift in center of mass is how much? Shift in center of mass, delta R center of mass is equal to 0. Correct? Yeah. Yes, Raymond. So delta R center of mass equal to 0. Then I'll write mass of the person into L minus x plus mass of the boat into minus x is equal to 0. M1 delta R1 plus M2 delta R2 is equal to 0. M1 delta R1 plus M2 delta R2 is equal to 0. So from there, x equal to, you will get mass of the person into L divided by mass of the person plus mass of the boat. That is the final answer which you will get. Very nice thing. You will get proper answer. मान लो चला गया भाई, जंप नहीं किया लेकिन चला गया. So X equal to MP into L divided by MP plus MB. Is this clear to everyone? Standard result, very much standard result. You will get a direct question from here. If you are able to remember this particular formula, it will really help you out. But I will not generally encourage you to remember anything and everything. Possible nahi hoga ke liye. You just remember the concept and execute. You can get this particular formula in less than 30 seconds. Is this clear? Chamka sabka. We will go back to the next question. Please respond. We'll move on now. Is this clear to everyone? कहां गए सब? सो गए क्या? Respond. Right? Yeah? Fine. So let's move on. Let's move on. Right? Yes. Good. Very good. Okay. Very good. So nice of you. So all of you got it. So this is the concept we have to remember. Actually here in these cases, shift in center of mass will be how much? Shift in center of mass will be equal to 0. Why it will be 0? Because there is no external force acting. So since there is no external force acting, Shyam, X platform, no, we do not know about the direction, Shyam. Minus तो तभी हम put करेंगे ना जब आपको पहले से पता है. Because if you write this, then only from this you will get the negative sign. तो पहले से minus मत put करो. गलत हो जाएगा वो, right? Yeah. ठीक है. Right. चलो. Next one we'll see application in projectile. Application in projectile. Application in projectile, right? Okay. So let me first discuss the case and then we will all solve together. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Let us consider here is one body, the mass is 3m. It is given a velocity u at an angle theta and it is going on a projectile. What happens? At the maximum height, suddenly there is an explosion. So when there is an explosion, it gets fragmented into two parts. So there are two parts. अबे भूत नहीं लग रही है अबे. So it gets fragmented in two parts. So the smaller part is m and this heavier part is given 2m, right? They have said that the smaller part, this one, this m, this part, it comes to rest. It comes to rest immediately. It comes to rest immediately. The smaller part is actually coming to rest immediately. Fine. And then they are asking where the heavier fragment will land. So the question is where the heavier fragment will land. Dekho, the first concept you should know. What is the concept? That in explosion, F external is equal to 0. There is no external force involved in explosion. Explosion में क्या होता है? There is a chemical substance, there is a detonator, there is a timer, there is an igniter, there is a battery. Everything is inside the system. There is nothing that is being supplied from outside. So in explosion, external force is equal to what? 0. तो अगर external force 0 है, तो shift in center of mass is also equal to 0. So if shift in center of mass equal to 0, I can write that center of mass will follow. Center of mass will follow the original trajectory. Center of mass will follow the original trajectory. क्या यहां तक clear है सबका? Is it clear till now for everyone? Respond, my dear friends. Respond. Is it clear till now? Conceptually, you are understanding the problem. You know what they are trying to say. Please respond fast. Hurry up, boys and girls. Quick. Yeah. It seems today people are a little bit tired. You know, they are not communicating much. है ना? क्या हो गया दोस्त? Yeah. Fine. Yeah. Okay. So now they have said that the lighter one comes to rest immediately. The lighter one comes to rest immediately, right? Okay. Good. So if it comes to rest immediately, the lighter one will land here. Where the lighter will land? The lighter one will land at this point. What is this point? This point is x equal to r by 2. है ना? Thank you, Monica. So it will land at x equal to r by 2. And center of mass is following the original trajectory. So where it will land? It will land here. What is this point? This is x equal to r. Center of lighter one is landing at x equal to r by 2, and center of mass is landing at x equal to r. Heavier one will land somewhere here. I don't know. This is, let us say, x. I will calculate that x. We will calculate that x. कैसे? बहुत simple equation भाई. Very simple equation. We know r center of mass is equal to m1 r1 plus m2 r2 divided by m1 plus m2. Very simple equation. It is m1 r1 plus m2 r2 by m1 plus m2. Right? What is r center of mass, boys and girls? Capital R only, na? Are bhai, it is at the range only. Center of mass falling where? This is where the center of mass is falling. Center of mass falling is at the range. Correct? Yes, correct. M1 is how much? Small m. Where it is landing? R by 2 plus 2m into R2 divided by 3m. Correct? If you calculate, please check and confirm that R2 is coming 5R by 4. My dear friends, quick calculation and confirm that R2 is coming 5R by 4. Everyone, I want response from everyone. So please check and confirm that R2 is coming 5R by 4. Please respond quickly. Check out the calculation and tell me it is coming at 5R by 4. Everyone, all of you. This is the formula. Very simple formula we are using. Extremely easy formula we are using. Only one concept to remember. Center of mass will land at range. And from where we are getting? Shift in center of mass is equal to 0. Shift in center of mass 0 means center of mass will follow the original trajectory. That's the point you need to remember. Center of mass will follow the original trajectory. Is it coming, boys and girls? R2 is equal to 5R by 4. Please respond. Yes, Bhargav, 5R by 4. Good. Anyone else? Please confirm. Kasturi, you see, I said na center of mass will follow the original trajectory. So that means center of mass will land at range. The concept is, since there is no external force involved in explosion, center of mass will land at range. Yeah, no issue. Yes. Yeah, 5R by 4, correct. Yeah. Fine. Chalo. Yes. Very good. Yeah. Good. Fine. So let's say now we'll do a trial question. This is now trial question. Practice time. Chalo, boys and girls, quick practice time. Quick practice time. So this is x-axis. This is y-axis. Here there is a mass. This mass is of 3 kg. It is projected with 10 meter per second at an angle of 15 degree with horizontal. Right? Yeah. It goes on trajectory like this. Then at maximum height, there is explosion and it gets fragmented into two parts. For these two parts, they have said M1 is to M2 is equal to 2 is to 3. M1 is to M2 is equal to 2 is to 3. They have also said the heavier one is coming to rest immediately. The heavier one is coming to rest immediately, right? Where the lighter one will land. They're asking where the lighter one will land. You want to try? I will give you 2 minutes to everyone. Solve it fast. I have done some trick. I have given a very random mass ratio, which is not very much simple to calculate. And with respect to the previous question, there the lighter one was coming to rest immediately. Here I made the heavier one is coming to rest immediately. So I'm asking where the lighter one will land. Fast. I want answers from you. Then only I will start solving this. 2 minutes time for everyone. Be quick. All of you. I'm waiting for you. So first we will calculate the range. Let us calculate the range. So check whether you agree with me or not. U square sine 2 theta by g. So u square is 100. Sine 2 theta means sine 30 degree. That is coming half divided by g. So range is equal to 5 meter. I hope all of you will agree with me. Range is equal to 5 meter. Raymond is saying 5.7. We will check. But did you get the range equal to 5 meter? Yeah. So if the range is equal to 5 meter, this is the range. Center of mass will land here. That is x equal to r, which is equal to 5 meter. So the center of mass will land where? Center of mass will land at 5 meter. The heavier one is coming to rest immediately. So this one will fall here. Right? Now, what is this mass? This mass M2 is equal to 3 by 5 into 3. That is equal to 9 by 5 kg. And where it is landing? This position x is equal to 5 by 2 meter. Bolo data okay? All of you respond. I got few answers already. Good. 7.5. Jonathan is saying 8.7. We will check. We will check. We are now doing. Please keep on telling me whether you agree with the data or not, whether you got the same value or not. Next, we will put the formula. What is the formula? R center of mass is equal to M1 R1 plus M2 R2 divided by M1 plus M2, right? इसीलिए लिया ना कि गलती करोगे 2:3 इसीलिए लिया कि गलती करो उसमें रेशियो में, है ना? ठीक है, तो M2 is equal to 9 by 5 kg you have calculated. Similarly, I can calculate M1. M1 will come 2 by 5 into 3. So that will come 6 by 5 kg. All right? Yeah. So now let us calculate. M1 is 6 by 5 into R1. We need to calculate. This is 9 by 5. R2 is 5 by 2 divided by M1 plus M2 is 3. And where is R center of mass? This is 5. So this 5 and this 5 cancels out. 3 5s are 15. If you bring to this side minus 4.5, that is equal to 6 by 5 R1. बोलो, कैलकुलेशन सही जा रहा है सबका? कैलकुलेशन इज गोइंग गुड? So far so good? Calculation is fine? Amrut, we have to be careful there. I told you na, calculation. So now, this is how much? This is 11.5, 10.5, I'm sorry. This is 10.5. 10.5 into 5 by 6 is equal to R1. Right? Are Kartik, total range is 5 meter. It is coming to rest, so it will land at 5 by 2 only, na, R by 2. R is 5 meter, so 5 by 2. So tell me what is the final calculation coming. So R1 we are getting 50.25. No, sorry, 52.5. 52.5 divided by 6 meter. Is it correct? Answer is 52.5 by 6 meter. Confirm? 52.5 by 6 meter. Respond everyone. Those who did it. Yeah, Anudeep? Yes. Yeah, absolutely. तो देखा, सिंपल क्वेश्चन. नारायण, मास कैलकुलेशन क्यों बढ़ाई? मास कैलकुलेशन, टोटल मास इज इक्वल टू 3 kg. M1 is to M2 is given 2:3. तो M1 क्या बनेगा? M1 will become 2, this by 2 plus 3 into total mass, that is 3. जैसे रेशियो प्रोपोर्शन निकालते हैं वैसे ना, है ना? मुझे पता था, आई न्यू कि प्रॉब्लम तुम लोग कहीं पे होगा, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई गिवन दिस रैंडम वैल्यू ऑफ मास. क्यों भाई, आ गया स्वाद? बताओ. वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन, कंसेप्ट ऑल्सो नोन. आई प्लेड अ लिटिल बिट ट्रिक विद द वैल्यू. खत्म. हाँ राजशेखर, अब नाउ केयरफुल. क्लियर एवरीवन? अरे रेस्पॉन्ड करो यार फटाफट, क्विकली, क्विक रिस्पॉन्स. We will just do one particular case after this and class is done for us. We learned a lot of things. Right? Okay? Fine? Clear everyone? Okay, chalo. Next one. Fine. So let us solve for the next one. Next is a very specific case that we are going to discuss, and it is the last case we will discuss today. Right? ठीक है? अब probably okay, yeah. Fine. क्या Jaspan? I did not get. You did not get the sum. Which one? Which sum you did not get? Which sum? This sum is not. We are not applying anything, any new idea. But calculation. मैंने तुमको calculation पे मारा. I got you very hard because of calculation. Nothing else. This mass ratio is troubling you. Nothing else. I know that. Oh, thank you, Rajsekhar. है ना? So my boys campus people know it. I am so crazy about these things. People rarely see me repeating the shirts and t-shirt. Yeah, fine. हाँ, अरे not a problem लिखी था. We keep on meeting now. I think is this our last class before holidays? I think one more class on Friday we'll have, right? We'll have a class on Friday, है ना? We'll have a class on Friday, I guess. Yeah. ठीक है, चलो. So the last concept. Now, देखो. So now here in this case, we have. क्या करते हैं? Yeah. यस यस या है ना, मजा आता था ना हम लोगों को करते के कैंपस में, नॉट एबल टू डिस्कस सो मेनी थिंग्स या चलो. So this is 3m. What is the mass? Mass is 3m, right? Suddenly there is an explosion. है होगा मोटा कहीं पे, यहीं पे होगा, मोटे होगा कहीं पे, यहीं पे. चलो next. So there is an explosion, and because of that explosion there is equal fragmentation. So this is mass m moving in that direction with speed u, right? There is another mass m moving in this direction with speed u. So there are two masses moving perpendicular to each other. There are two masses moving perpendicular to each other. Equal masses, है ना? M and m, total mass was 3m. So the third one is also having the same mass. Understand this question properly. So two masses, equal masses, after explosion they are moving perpendicular to each other with speed u. The third mass is also having the equal mass, that is m. I want to figure out in which direction it will move. सोचो, आराम से सोचो. Two masses u and u, m and m. Boys and girls, can you please tell me that this will be the direction of the net momentum? Hari? नहीं ना? Correct? This is m into u, one momentum. There is another m into u in this direction. Can't I say, boys and girls, that this is the direction of net momentum? And this net momentum is going to be root under of m into u whole square plus m into u whole square. Chamka? Correct? Yes? Yeah, Remang. So that will be root under of 2m into u. So what is the net momentum in this direction? Root under of 2m into u. ठीक है? Resultant. Yes, Divya. Resultant. So discussion is important. Understand? You have to have the feel कि physics क्या चल रहा है यहाँ पे? What is the physics going on? So there is a net momentum of root under 2mu because of these two particles in that direction. Boss, in explosion, F external is equal to 0. है ना? External force is equal to 0. If external force is 0, then P, linear momentum of the system, has to be constant. Momentum will be conserved. अरे यार force 0 तो momentum conserve होगा ना यार. It means initial momentum of the system has to be equal to final momentum of the system, right? Initial momentum particle was at rest, means 0. Initial momentum was 0. तो final momentum भी क्या होगा? Final momentum will also become 0. Initial momentum is 0. Initial momentum is equal to final momentum. Final momentum has to be equal to 0. Yes, correct, Manas. It means that the third particle must move in this direction. Third particle must move in this direction. This is another mass m. It must move in this direction, which is anti-parallel. To this momentum. Why? Because this particle has to nullify root under 2mu to make final momentum is equal to 0. बोल feel आया कि नहीं? Respond everyone. Did you get the conceptual clarity or not? In explosion, F external equal to 0. Linear momentum has to be conserved. For that, initial momentum has to be equal to final momentum. Yes, Manas, conservation of linear momentum. So for that, these are two. This is the net momentum direction, root under 2mu. The third particle has to move anti-parallel to this so that this momentum is nullifying the other momentum to make the net momentum is equal to 0. Is that clear to all of you? Is it clear to all of you? right? Okay, fine. So what we are getting, boys and girls, m into v is equal to root under of 2m into u. M into v is equal to root under of 2m into u. So v is equal to how much you are getting? Root under 2 into u. This is what we will get. Now the question they ask you, what is the energy released? Delta E. अरे यार ये तो बहुत simple है. Energy released is equal to final kinetic energy. Energy released is equal to final kinetic energy. That is equal to how much? Half m u square. There are two such particles, so into 2 plus half m into root under 2u whole square. If you do the sum, the final answer will be 2m u square. This is the amount of energy released. हाँ जी, तो हमारा आज का सफर इतना तक ही. हम लोगों ने बहुत कुछ सीखा. There are too many concepts we have discussed today. And आज बहुत कंटेंट कवर किया. We have covered so many content today. Good quality contents, conceptual contents. क्या आपको सब में क्लैरिटी आया? Did you get clarity in everything? Confidence आया? Are you sure now that you can solve questions on your own? So that's what the success of us. If you can solve question on your own, that is our success. Yeah, 3m है श्याम, दिया हुआ है ना मास 3m. 3m से 3 इक्वल फ्रेगमेंट. Krishna, no, I don't think it's completed. We will require one more class. I think velocity and acceleration of center of mass करना है हम लोग. नेक्स्ट क्लास में हो जाएगा पक्का. So ये सारी चीज क्लियर है, सब एकदम क्रिस्टल क्लियर, नो डाउट, एवरीथिंग इज झक्कास, है ना? अरे क्या बोल रहे हैं श्याम, पागल हो गया क्या? 2 masses are already moving in this direction. ये तो सिंगल लेफ्ट आउट मास है. This is the m. Yeah, we'll be in touch. We'll be in touch, है ना? No problem. चलो फिर. There are some questions, I think, page number 159. पेज नंबर 159 क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 to 29 के अंदर आपको मिल जाएगा क्वेश्चंस इन जिम मटेरियल. ठीक है? Raymond, no. Actually, the irony is that I have never been to Kerala. I travel so much, but that is the only one portion of the country I love to travel. Yeah, Likhita, I'm going to Kolkata. Yeah, it's my native place. है ना? चलो. So now this is the most awaited thing of you. Huh? Yes, here it is. Okay. बंगाल में सब कुछ फेमस है यार. फूड के मामले में बंगाल इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट. हाँ कविता, आई एम फ्रॉम कोलकाता. Please, Yosna, come. Please come. Yeah, Kirti, I'm going to sit that down. Yes. You remember, huh? Yeah, yes, Monica, I remember. Yeah. Chalo, bye everyone. Bye. Enjoy. Spend your holidays very good. See you in the next class. Bye everyone. Bye.